Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to publish your book on Google Books. So first of all, go to the Google Books Partner Center and log into the account. So you can simply go to the Google and search for Google Books Partner, and then you can click here and then you can log in with your Google account. Okay, so once you are here, you will be on the home page, and then you can click on the book catalog here. And if you don't have any books, then you will see add book option directly. So I have already 8 books here, and then what you need to do is click on the add book section. Okay, now select a sell option, sell ebook on Google Play. Okay, book ID, set a Google book ID, click on save and continue. Okay, now you need to enter the title of your book. So let me see. Okay, so I am going here to my book section, and let me see the cover page. Okay, let me show you the cover page. The Night Has Secrets. Okay, so this is the name of the book. So whatever the name of your book is, simply enter it here. Okay, The Night Has Secrets. Okay, now you can enter a few more things here directly in front of the title, even though it will not be there on the cover page. Okay, so this is a scary story for kids. I have searched here a few keywords here. Okay, so I have selected scary stories for kids. Okay, so I'm going to add here scary stories for kids. Okay, something like that. Okay, now you need to enter the description here. So for description, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go to the ChatGPT and I will ask it to write the description. You can also write the description from your side. So you can directly say I have created a book The Night Has Secrets, a total of 15 scary stories for kids age 3 to 5. Write a description for it for Google Books. Okay, something like that. You can directly enter it here and it will simply write a small description that you can copy and paste. If you want to edit it, then you can go ahead and edit it. Okay, so I'm going here and simply I'm going to copy paste here. Okay, this section has a limit, so if you cross the limit, then it will give you the warning. Book identifier is there, then language is there, ebook, how many pages are there, then you need to enter the page count. Publisher name you should enter here. For the first time it won't fill up your name, so it is already filling up my name. Release date, you can enter the today's date itself. Okay, even publication date is today's date. Minimum age, say 3. There is no maximum age, even though it is from 3 to 5, but anybody can read it. For mature audiences, no. Okay, now page count, we have to go and see what is the page count here. Okay, let me open the book and you can see page 1 of 18. Okay, so there are 18 pages, so I will go ahead and enter 18 here. 1 8. Okay, so rest of the things filled up. Add related book. So if you have multiple books, then only you can go ahead and click on add related book. So if I go here, how is this book related? It's a part of. Okay, you can do this. Okay, if it is not related, then you can simply click cancel here, click on save and continue. Okay, now these are some genius that you need to add. Make it easy for readers to discover your book by assigning industry standard genius. Okay, now this may be confusing for a little bit. You can go ahead and enter names like children books. Okay, it will simply go ahead and start giving from here. Okay, family and relationships. However, I am going to tell you an easy way. Simply go to the ChatGPT again and write bisect for this book. Okay, simply write bisect for this book and it will give you some suggestions that you simply need to copy and paste. Okay, juvenile fiction, horror and ghost stories. Okay, Then alternate choices is there, bedtime and dreams. So you can simply copy this code here, go ahead and paste it here. Invalid gene here. Okay, if you may not be coming, okay, let me copy this one. Okay, this one is also not coming. If it is not coming, you can tell ChatGPT that these are not coming. Okay, this one is coming, concepts general. Okay, let me write that first two are invalid. Okay, so it will suggest few more. Okay, it is finding the latest bisect codes. So once you do this, click on add a gene. For the next one, you can add few more. You can also go to any related books on Google Books, and if you go down till the bottom, you will find their bisects. Okay, you can go ahead and enter it right here. Okay, but I am going to, okay, short stories. Let me see. Okay, it just found it. Okay, next one, bedtime and dreams. Simply copy and add a gene and paste it here. Okay, this one also came, bedtimes and dreams. Okay, this one, okay, add like 3-4. Control C, then add a gene, Control V. Okay, this one is also coming. Okay, so once you do this, click on save and continue. Okay, there are some problem here. Why did it remove everyone? Let me do it again. Okay. Please address the errors. It is saying please address the errors, but there was no error. Okay, I will fill it later. Continue. Enter the name. Okay, author, then you can also go ahead and add contributors. So I already have books here on Google Books. I'll simply add the same author bio. Okay, if you have your bio prepared here, then you can simply go ahead and copy the bio from there. Okay, so if I go here and see this is how genius will appear here. So I added like 4-5 here on this book, and so this is about author, which will appear here. Okay, so I'm simply going to copy paste from here. You can go ahead and enter your bio, or you can take the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so once you do this, click on save and continue. Now series, so if you have an existing series, then you can add it. So it is not existing, I have not created a series, so I'll simply click on continue here. Now apply DRM encryption. Okay, yes, 20% limit. Okay, click on advanced settings. Photos in Google Playbooks, yes. Insert a blank page, no. Show PDF, yes, recommended. Reading order, okay. Now there are territories that you need to enter. Google book search. You can also go for link for printed books. If you are giving it in print edition on any site, you can go ahead and edit it. If you have website, you can add it here. If you have logo, publisher logo, then you can simply upload it there. Okay, so once you do this, do all these things, then ways of reading unspecified, you can go ahead and click on supported, then screen reader. Okay, so there are a few things that you can go ahead and do it. Otherwise, simply leave it just like as it is. Okay, now before I am doing save and continue, we need to enter the gene. Okay, it came. Okay, it came back. So it was giving a few errors there, however it's saved. Okay, so we will click on save and continue. Okay, so we'll go on settings because we already filled all these things, then click on save and continue. Okay, now you have to upload files here. Now you have to upload 2 files. Okay, first of all, is the PDF, and second one is the cover JPG. Okay, make sure that the cover JPG is of high quality, and of course the PDF. So I'm going to upload these two files here. So the first one is the PDF and second one is the cover. Okay, that will just take a bit of time, maybe a few seconds to upload it. It will automatically detect that the PNG file or the JPEG file or the JPG file is your cover page, and it will attach it here as the front page of your ebook. Okay, net is working really slow here because it's just a 28 MB file and it is taking this much of time. So we will wait till it reaches 100%. Okay, so done. Once it is done, you can simply click on close. Okay, now it will process your PDF. So this file is there, but it will process your PDF, then only it will publish. Okay, so if you are doing it for the first time, then it will take some time. If you're done like me, then it will probably publish in like 2-3 hours, maybe sometimes in less than half an hour. Okay, so click on continue. Once you do this, now you have to set the book price. So first of all, go ahead and select your currency. And so I want to make this book free, so I'll simply enter 0 here, 0 rupees. Okay, for the word, so it will automatically convert for all the countries. Okay, so if it is gives any error, then you need to go to the settings. So let me see if it is giving any error. Okay, it is not giving any error to me. So if it is giving any error, then you need to go to the settings where there is a payment section. Okay, so it will give you the link. You have to directly click it here, so that the book price for all the countries, see it is available in 66 countries, so it will be same. Okay, and it will convert and round off to the best possible value. Okay, so once you do all these things, then you can see there is a publish button coming up here. Click on publish here. Congratulations, you successfully added your book to Google Play and Google Books. Click on done. Now if you have any doubt, then you can simply comment and I will update it from my side. Okay, now it will again take you to the book catalog section where you will see this needs action. However, do not need any action, you just need to wait, okay, before it goes live on Google Play. So it will come something like this: little lessons, big dreams. Okay, so once it is live, you can simply click on this arrow icon and it will take you to the Google Play. And now you can see my book is here. Okay, this is how it will look. Your cover here, this one is also my second book, right? And then about this book, then author name, publisher, pages, everything is coming, layout, fixed, non-visual reading. You can go ahead and adjust these things if you see if it is there. Okay, the engineers are coming, seller is Google Ireland Limited. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel. I will also show you how to do it for KDP, how to upload the PDF on KDP after adjusting all the margins and all those things there. Okay, and few other websites. So thank you.